Alright guys, really quick. This one has been reviewed a lot and discussed everywhere. Very bang for the buck watch. Any watch actually from Escapement time is bang for the buck. I paid $70 for this. It's the Pilot Chrono. I've been looking at one of these for a long time. Finally decided to pull the trigger. They never go on sale. Really, the price is the price, but 11.5 millimeter thick, 40 millimeter Citizen Quartz Chrono. Let me get this plastic off and on the wrist. Here it is on the wrist. Talk about legibility. This thing is super nice. Wow. Man, the subdials, the hands. Nice date window at 6 o'clock. It's very interesting, right? You only have two subdials, and on the dial you have the 1, 5, 7, 11 numeral. It's an interesting look. The strap is also super comfortable as well. Nice combo. I will keep it on that strap. Let's get that Citizen Mecha Quartz Chrono movement going. Wow. Let me post up a loom shot as well. Look at that. Now let's take a look at that loom. Wow. This watch, alright, $70. This is what Fossil Timex should be putting out here. This watch right here is bang for the buck. Very nice. I'm really happy with this one. This one should be a very good review.